I guide you to turn off autoplay on YouTube. So let's go to the YouTube first. Let's say if you are on YouTube and you're watching any of the YouTube video and automatically the next video is being played. So let's say I'm tapping on here. I've done everything. And you could scroll all the way to find whether it has been toggled. I use an eyelash curler in the car. I shouldn't probably do that, but I'm really good at it. So here you could check the play automatically up next in 5 seconds. Or now let's say if you need to turn off that, you need to tap on the channel here and tap on settings and scroll down to find video and audio preferences. In that you need to go ahead into the playback option, which is the second option for me now. And in that the very first over the top you could find autoplay next video. Now let's say if you need to toggle that off, turn off that, you need to make sure just tapping on that here like this, and that will be turned off like this. And when autoplay is disabled, the play automatically playing next video will be turned off. So this is how you could turn off autoplay on YouTube. Thank you.